Hi, I'm Whitney Morgan, Hashimoto's coach, gluten-free warrior, and creator of the Thyroid Reboot Method and the Gluten Gauntlet mini course. If you Google a list of Hashimoto's symptoms, one symptom you might not find on that list is anxiety. And that's because anxiety is more associated with too much thyroid hormone, so hyperthyroidism and Graves' disease. So why is it then that when you actually talk to women who have Hashimoto's, many of them experience chronic anxiety? In today's video, I'm going to give you the 5 top reasons why many women with Hashimoto's often feel anxious. But before we jump into it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the little bell next to it so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. I've worked with dozens of women with Hashimoto's, and more than half of them complain of having anxiety and even panic attacks. Now, it makes sense why hyperthyroidism would cause anxiety, right? Because as thyroid hormone levels go up, your heart rate increases, your temperature increases, and this can lead to feelings of nervousness and anxiety. Conversely, when thyroid hormones are low, like in the case of Hashimoto's and hypothyroidism, heart rate and body temperature decline, and women tend to feel sluggish, depressed, and fatigued. But even if your thyroid hormone levels are low, there are 5 reasons why you might still feel anxious. Reason number 1, low T3 levels. T3 is the most active form of thyroid hormone, and it also regulates the action of GABA. GABA is an inhibitory neurotransmitter that decreases the activity of the nervous system, and this produces a calming effect. So as T3 levels decline, the action of GABA is impaired, leaving women vulnerable to anxiety. Reason number 2, elevated TPO antibodies. When TPO antibodies are high, women often experience nervousness, anxiety, and even symptoms of obsessive compulsive disorder. This is because TPO antibodies can actually cause a surge of thyroid hormone into the bloodstream, leading to what's called transient hyperthyroidism. Reason number 3, iodine supplementation. Taking iodine when your TPO antibodies are already elevated is like throwing gas on the fire. TPO antibodies skyrocket, and the chances of transient hyperthyroidism increase, leading to anxiety and panic attacks. Is anxiety one of your Hashimoto's symptoms? If so, drop your favorite emoji in the comments below. Okay, reason number 4, blood sugar imbalance. Many women with Hashimoto's have impaired carbohydrate tolerance, meaning their blood sugar spikes too high after they consume carbohydrates. When blood sugar rises too rapidly, this provokes a surge of insulin, leading to symptoms like shakiness, anxiety, and fatigue. And finally, reason number 5, gluten exposure. Gluten is the most common trigger for Hashimoto's, and gluten impacts the brain more than any other organ in the body. When women with Hashis get exposed to gluten, they can experience a wide range of neurological symptoms, things like brain fog, depression, anxiety, and panic attacks. Uncovering the root causes of your thyroid symptoms is always part of my Thyroid Reboot Method. To learn more about this method and how to rebuild your thyroid function from the ground up, just click on the link that I provide in the video notes. If you're watching the replay on Instagram, head to my bio link. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, you can let me know by liking it, subscribing to my channel, or sharing this video with someone who has Hashimoto's. And as always, if you have questions, just drop them in the comments. I try my best to answer everyone. Thanks again. I'll see you next week. Bye.